Oh, come back this way. Come back this way. Come back this way. Come back this way.
She should have studied primates when they're really tired instead of feeding behavior.
Let's go this way.
Oh, he's showing some displeasure. Walking. Right, son.
Yeah?
Walk to mama.
You want to walk to mama? Oh no, you don't crawl to mama. You're supposed to walk to me. You're supposed to walk to me, you silly. There's the kitty cat. He's like, oh no, here comes that kid again. Yeah. That's a kitty cat, huh? What do you think? You want to roll that to mama? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Maybe we'll turn this way. Yeah, there you go. You ready, Ezra? Yeah. Ready? You ready?
Want some of this other? You want some of this? Come here.
Why don't you turn this way? Yeah.
No.
Is that your truck?
That was a good boy. Right, Daz. Ozzy, you can have the next one, okay? So that's a good supplement. Some onion.
What are you doing?
Come on, adult. Get over here and turn it around for me. He's close.
Whoa. There you go. You ready? Stand up. Stand up. Whoa. Yeah, that's not gonna stay upright if you do it that way. What do you think? You haven't gotten on video of me pulling him up on the bed.
We haven't done that.
Maybe we could do that.
This will be the time. I think he's
Yeah.
game for anything.
Yeah. Why don't we go do that and we can show Papa too?
You gotta come see this, Papa.
Okay, why don't we go show that?
Good thing that wasn't a trapeze with no net. Why don't you push that thing in the bedroom? Transitions are hard, aren't they, Ezra?
Let's turn that around.